Today our content framing question is, what are the emerging themes in Hatchet? This question is a little bit different from the previous content framing questions that we've been using while we've been focusing our reading of Hatchet. The other questions have been more organize and reveal questions. We've been discussing what's happening in Hatchet and then looking more deeply at specific ways that Brian is changing as we think about his thoughts and actions. Today, our question is a distill question. One of the definitions of distill is here: extract the essential meaning or most important aspects of. Extracting means to draw out, to figure out. So to figure out the essential meaning or the most important parts of our book. This question is a distill question. We usually see these after we finish reading a text, but a good reader thinks as they're going through the text, and it helps them see the big picture of the story. It provides readers an opportunity to think about the changes a character goes through as a result of his experiences.